Hey guys! Okay, so it's Jasmine and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's going to be a 2x6 closure install. So here I'm just laying the foundation, but I'm not going to show any sewing or anything or laying the closure. This one's about styling and layering. But the foundation is super important too. You got to always make sure you do those 3 layers of glue on that ball cap just to make sure it's laid down and it's pretty seamless. And so here I'm applying the last layer. Then I take my wooden stick, I got a pretty thick one, and make sure that I smear it across the way it's supposed to so that it can dry evenly. Alright, so now that I've sewed my closure in, I'm going to go in with my Nairobi mousse. I love Nairobi because it's actually really soft and the hair still has so much movement after you use it. It's not hard at all. So I'm laying it down, and as you can see, I put a lot. I put a generous amount on there. Then now I'm going to take my hot comb and go through and hot comb it after she dries. Okay, so I put her under the dryer for about 10 minutes, and then I went in and I am gonna use my hot comb. Sorry guys. So now, as you can see, I'm doing layers. So we do it like a curtain bang look. So she got a 16 and 2/18 with, I think, a 16-inch closure too. So I definitely took my section at a diagonal and I cut away from her face to get those face framing layers. And now you're gonna take about like 1-inch sections out from the head at 90 degrees. Well, and I pretty much cut at a 45-degree angle down, and you're just gonna repeat that step again. So you're gonna pull that hair out, and as you can see, I'm cutting down from the point where I want my shortest layer all the way down to my longest layer. So I did like I would say 45-degree angle for your layers. I went in with my 2-inch curling iron from T3 to get this body look. The bigger the curler, the more body you're gonna have, and the less tight the curl will be. So I'm gonna flip this curl up that's in front of her face, and I'm gonna pin that. And I actually did pretty much every single curl like that except the ones that you see that are vertical. And then I pinned them all and I let them cool down like that, and so that I can have maximum amount of body in her hair. So now I'm taking my pin curls out, and as you can see, the hair is already bouncing and behaving. And now we're just going to comb back so that we can get those layers. And as you can see, it's layered down. Okay, it's definitely layered down, and I'm super excited about it. And it's just, once you keep playing with that hair, I'm taking a wide tooth comb and I'm like playing with the layers and pushing them forward. And this is how the back should look. Like, this is straight with the curls out and me combing it out. This is how much body she has. And that's why I didn't want super short layers, but I wanted her to be able to have movement. And now you can definitely go back. The key to getting more layers and the ones that you like absolutely looking for is cutting it while it's dry. So if you don't see something you like, go back in and add some more body. It's not gonna hurt anything. It just kind of makes it more flowy, because sexy hair is something that I love. I love movable hair. And in the end, this is how my girl came out. I took a fine tooth comb and combed it out, and as you can see, she was pleased. Courtney's is absolutely beautiful. These curtain bang face framing layers look amazing. All I did was comb it forward towards her face, and she came out looking stunning. And that closure is melted down. She got a 2x6 closure from tpextensions.com, as well as a 16-inch wide body wave bundle and 2 18 inches. And we just played around, with it, because like I said, she has so much body in the hair. She's gonna show you guys. Don't play with her. Courtney looks stunning. All right, so check us out next time. But as for now, bye.